Let's take a look at the Coordinate Geometry Code Busters worksheet. Here are the directions. Use the Coordinate Geometry Code Sheet to help figure out each secret message below. As I zoom in, you'll notice that there are ordered pairs for each kind of part in the code. So each ordered pair is going to match with a value on the right-hand side. To figure out where that value is, we just have to remember how to find our x and y coordinates. Recognize for -3, 3 that we're going to go left 3 and then up 3. So over on the right-hand side, I'm just going to zoom over to where that graph is. If we go 3 to the left, that would be going in this direction. And then up 3, our letter is H. So then if I go back over to my code, that's the first letter. It's an H. And I'm going to get rid of the X and Y. And we'll put an H there instead. Whoa, what's going on there? There we go. So H. Oh, I can't get my letter to show up. There it is. All right, I'm going to do one more with you. The next one is -3, 5. So again, we're going to go back over to our graph. And if I go to -3 on the x-axis, but then up 5, the letter is I. So then that first word is hi. Awesome. Look at that. All right, your goal is to complete questions 2, 3, and 4, or excuse me, 1, 2, and 3 by using that secret code on the right. And then you'll just find each message below. Now the last question, question 4, is you're going to work backwards. So now using that code and the letters that are on it, we're going to write our first and last name in secret code. Now if you have a really long first or last name, you're really going to get good at this. So I'm going to use my name, Mrs. Fry. So M-R-S and then F-R-E-Y. And I'm only going to pick a couple letters. So now you just have to look on the graph. I notice I see an M right here. And from the center, I'm going to go 1 to the right and down 2. That means my coordinate for M is +1, -2. And then I'll put a comma. R, if I find an R, let's see where I could look for an R. I see one way down here. So then I'm going to go 3 to the left and then down 4. So my R value is going to be -3, -4. And then I'll do one more. I'll do S for Mrs. Let's see, where is an S? Oh boy, oh, there's one right here. I was like almost not going to find it. So from here, I'm just going to go up 1. That means my S coordinate is 0, 1. And that's how you use this. It says write your first and last name in secret code. Please write out the letters for your name. You can either write them horizontal like I did or vertical, straight up and down. And then use the coordinate plane on the right to find how those matching letters would match up in order pair form for your secret code. And these are the directions for today's worksheet.